Hello students, question is from data structure and algorithm. Okay, question is, consider the Floyd and Warshall algorithm is done on the following graph. Okay, one graph is given and which of the following cannot be the stage during the execution of this algorithm. Okay, so the graph is something like this. And this is a weighted graph. Okay, weighted directed graph they have given. Diagraph is there. Okay, so this is the graph. Fine. So Floyd and Warshall algorithm, what it will do, it will find the shortest path in the weighted graph. So in the Floyd and Warshall, what we have to do for a path P, say V1, V2, VL, vertices V2, V3 and VL minus 1 will be the intermediate path, right? Now, what we have to do, Dij, if it is a shortest path, okay, if it is a shortest path from I to J, then this intermediate vertices will be chosen from the set of 1, 2 and k. Okay, so if these vertices, if these sets are present 1, 2, till k is present, then only we can choose that intermediate vertices for determining the shortest path from I to J. Okay, so let's start the Floyd and Warshall algorithm. Okay, in the Floyd and Warshall, what we have to do first, we have to give the matrix representation of this particular graph. Okay, so if there is not reachable, self loop will be considered as 0. Okay, and the whatever the path we cannot determine is like direct paths are not there. Let's say for example from 1 to 3 there is no path, so that will be considered as infinity, or you can put question mark over there. Okay, so later we will be finding out the relations. Okay, so this d0 will be what? See, from 1 to 1 it is 0, right? Then from 1 to 2 it is 8. From 1 to 3 it is infinity. From 1 to 4 it is 1. So similarly, I will write down the rest of that part. Okay, so this will be d0. Okay, now in the next step, to find out the iteration, there is another rule. We have to choose in the d1, we have to choose first row, first column. Then if we find out the d2, then choose second row, second column. D3, third row, third column. So which row and column we are choosing, we cannot modify the values of those particular row and column. Okay, then the other rows can be modified based on the shortest path thing. Okay, based on this concept. Okay, now in the set only 0 is there. Okay, so no 1 2 means not 0, even not 0, even only 1. So first 1 is chosen. Okay, so d1 is chosen, right? So write the first row and first column as it is, first column and first row as it is. Okay, so I will mark these row and column, so there is no modification in these rows and column. You cannot modify these particular row and column. Now check the other one. Okay, come to the graph. Now we have from 2 to 2. 2 to 2 will be 0 only always. Now 2 to 3. Okay, 2 to 3. 2 to 3 is 1. That is already a smallest value. Now 2 to 4. Okay, so 2 to 4 still you cannot define it. So this will be infinity. Now come to 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2. Okay, now in the set 1 is there, already 1 is there. Now 3 comma 2, whether from 1 you can go to 2, right? So it will be 4 plus 8. See, it is 4 and 8, so it will be 12. Okay, so 12, then again 0, because self loop, again from 3 to 4. See, this way and this way, so 4 plus 1 5, so 5 you can get, and 2 and 9 and 0, this will be same. Okay, so this is the d1 first. Now the d2, in the d2 second row and second column will be remain as it is, right? So write down the second column itself first. Okay, So again mark these values so that you don't have to modify these values. Okay, so rest will be, this will be 0 only, this will be 0, and this will be 0. So these are not going to change. Okay, okay, now check this value from 1 to, now in the set you have come already, I will write here. Okay, so already 1 was there, now 2 have come because now we have taken D2. Okay, so 2 is there. Now from 1 to 3, can you go from 1 you can go to 3? Yeah, 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, so this will be 9, then this will be 1. Now this we cannot change. Now come to third one. So third one is 4 only, 4 12 0. Now 4, this will be same as it is. Now this will be same. Okay, now check 4 comma 4 3. From 4 now 2 is there, right? So 2 and 1, because 2 is there in the set, so you can choose 2 here. Okay, so 2 comma 3. So 2 plus 1 3, so this is 3. So this is the D2 value. Now go to D3. So third row, third column as it is, so 9 1 0 3, and this will remain as it is, right? So we cannot modify these values. So check for the other part. So this will same, this will be same, this will be 8, this will be 1. Now check 2 comma 1. Now 3 is also in the set. 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1, 1 plus 4. Right? See, 1 and 4. Through 3 you can go, right? Because 3 is now in the set. So 3 you can choose, intermediate vertices you can choose as 3. So 1 plus 4, that is 5. So this will be 5 0 1. And okay, now 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4. From 3 you can go, right? So 1 plus 4 plus 1 means 1 plus 4 5 plus 1 6. So this will be 6. Okay, so similarly okay, this was the third row, right? Okay, this was 4, I guess. This is 12 0 and 5. Sorry, this was the third part, right? So this will be 4 12 and 0 5, and here 3 will come, right? So this will be extended till here. Now fourth one, fourth row, from 4 to 1. From 4 to 1. From 3 you can go, right? 2 plus 1 plus 4 means 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7. Okay, so 7 will come here, 2 will come here, and 0. Okay, so this is the third one. Now fourth one, consider in the fourth one, fourth row and fourth column will be remain as it is. So it will be 1 6 5 and 0, and then it will be 7 2 3. Okay, fine. So now check for the other values. Keep on checking. So this will be 0. Now check 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2, where now in the set 4 has also come, whether you can get the smallest value. See, 1, now it was 8, now already 4 is there, so 1 plus 2, so you can get 3 over here. Okay, then 1 comma 3. See, 1 comma 3 is initially it is 9, so smaller value you can get 1 comma 2, this value 1 plus 2 plus 1, right? See, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4. Okay, so this will be 4. Fine, so this will be 5 and 0 1, this will same. Now this value 4 will be same. Now check 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2 was initially what? Okay, 3 comma 2 is what? 3 comma 2. Okay, yeah, 3 comma 2 was 12, right? Now 3 comma 2, any other value you can get. 3 comma 2, 3 is okay, yeah, from 3 to 4 you have 5, right? Already you have 3 to 4 as 5. Okay, so 5 plus 2 7 you can get. Okay, already this has come. In this step only it has come. Okay, so already 5 is there, so 3 comma 2 can be 5 plus 2 7, so this will be 0. So this will be the final shortest path, shortest thing. So now check the option C. A is matching with D1, B is matching with D4, you can verify. Now C is matching with D3. Okay, so again D cannot be C, right, because it is again third row, third column, and you can verify the results. So it is 12 over here, so this is wrong. So answer is D. Thank you.